Apple to the upside, 2-minute EWO, gang. You guys are in full effect and you know what to do. If you guys are doing any 2-minute EWOs, you want to wait for that 4 minutes just to make sure you have confirmation. You can get in early, but it is riskier, right? It's always a higher risk if you get in early. So I never recommend that. Just be patient. Apple, still 2-minute EWO to the upside. That is a 6-star trade. Looking good.
I'm up $1,500 on Apple. Thank you, Coach.
Nice job. Let's review Apple 2-minute EWO, gang. Apple, this is your first pullback. This is your 50%. Now, the reason is, you see how this candle was lower than these, which meant it's not consolidating. It actually dipped down, yes?
Yes, Coach.
Good job.
Yes, Coach.
Thank you. Now, that doesn't mean it's not going to continue to run because it looks really healthy, but I don't care. We follow the rules. We lighten the load. It makes the trade easier, allows you to stay into the trade. You already know if it breaks and holds below VWAP, you get the hell out.